I went to my local Savers the other day and I found this unique household item that I really didn't know what it was. And that's why I always teach you guys to look things up on the sold listings. Now, the first thing that caught my eye about this item was it was a really good brand. It was Breville. You know, I love to flip Breville juicers. Be on the lookout for juicers, but this was a unique item. So the first thing is I flipped the item over and let me see if I can show this to you. I identified the brand, which I already knew, but the model as well. So this is actually called a Breville Milk Cafe, and this was model 600XL. And I'll put some footage on the screen of the sold listings, but I was shocked to realize how much money this was actually selling for. Now, I've got my phone on me and I was looking this up, and it looks like these things are selling anywhere from $50 to $100 complete. And the cool thing about this type of item here is if there was something missing, even like maybe if the top was missing, or I don't know, maybe there was a part, because this is made up of a couple different parts. Even if a couple of these parts were missing, you can actually sell these individual items for parts, like this little top for 20 or 30 bucks, this little section right here for like $15. There's another little section inside for like 20 bucks. So when it comes to these types of items, even if they don't work, you can still flip them and make some really great money. Now, I did test this by plugging it in and it did turn on, so it appears to be working fine. Now with something like this, I am going to, you know, clean it up and make it look pretty before I list it on eBay, but this is a fine example of an item that you want to be on the lookout for. Again, this is the Breville Milk Cafe model BMF 600XL. Now this will essentially froth your milk, Starbucks style. So if you ever come across an item like this, I paid $8.99. I actually did have a 20% off as well, thanks to Mama Profit. So I paid around $7 for this item, and I'm probably gonna at least 5 to 8x my money at the end of the day. This will be a quick sell. There was a really good market, great sell-through rate, and it works. So if you ever come across this Breville 600XL Milk Cafe Milk Frother, then be sure to pick it up. If you guys want to learn more about what to buy and sell on eBay to grow your business, as I've been sharing in previous videos, study the sold listings, watch these haul videos, go out to thrift stores, look items up, and if you want my help, check out the Reseller Sourcing Handbook. This is a product I've created that will literally teach you, hold your hand through the process and teach you about 5 new items every single day, 365 days a year. If you invest in the program for a year, literally it's $20 a month right now. You'll learn about over 1,800 items and it'll pay for itself. So with that being said, much love. I'm here for you guys and hopefully you guys learned something new. Be on the lookout for this.